Hey Twin Cities, the Parade of Homes Remodeler Showcase is back September 27th through the 29th. It's the ultimate tour for home design and renovation. And don't miss the opportunity to step inside this gorgeous featured home by McDonald Remodeling located at 5914 Bryant Lane in Inver Grove Heights. If you want to see the latest remodeling trends or simply want to get inspired and gather ideas for your own project, this is your rare opportunity to see what one of the most awarded home remodelers in the Twin Cities is capable of doing live in person. This home, built in the 1990s, needed a bit of a facelift on the main level. Some thoughtful changes were made to the kitchen layout to improve the functionality. With this, new windows were installed in different locations, which allowed the kitchen sink to be pulled out of the tight corner. This move greatly improved not only the function of the space, but also improved the sight lines into both the kitchen and to the exterior. The aesthetics of this project were pulled together with great new finishes throughout. The team at McDonald Remodeling was hired to partner with these homeowners to listen to their goals and design, manage, and execute this thoughtfully curated plan for their home. Come see firsthand what makes McDonald Remodeling one of the most awarded home remodelers in the Twin Cities. For decades, they have remodeled homes that are beautiful, enduring, and of the highest quality. They celebrate design down to the last detail. If you have never witnessed what the best of the best are capable of doing up close and in person, you're in for a treat. Tour this one-of-a-kind home on the weekend of September 27th through September 29th from 12 until 6 each day. It's totally free to attend. See the latest remodeling trends and talk with the experts to get ideas on your own home. This featured home by McDonald Remodeling is located at 5914 Bryant Lane in Inver Grove Heights. It's open to the public and free to tour on Friday, September 27th through Sunday, September 29th from noon until 6. To learn more about this home and get directions, click below. We'll see you there.